Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll be talking a little softly here because I am doing this at night while the kiddo is sleeping in the next room. And yeah, don't mind this one. It decided to pop up right as I was getting ready to film my haul. So here we have a GoldPaperPrints haul, 2 kits that are just in the new format or newest format, and then 3 that are new, a monthly kit, which is a first for me in quite some time, and I think maybe even first time on my channel, and then some old and new sheets as well. So alright, let's go ahead and just get right into this because I want to try and make this as quickly as possible because it is, like I said, late. So for sheets, I did get the new release sheet Family Walk. I got no ships were given today. And then I got more film, edit, and upload sheets. And then for a monthly kit, I did get the 2-pager. I didn't get any add-ons that come with this, but I did get the weekly kit that goes with this or matches this monthly kit, and I got the finance add-on that I usually get with every weekly kit, but instead I'm going to do just one because that's all I actually need. So I got the finance add-on that matches this, and then the Almost Midnight weekly kit. I got my usual 2 add-ons that are made the same. All of this will look exactly the same, just different color schemes and full boxes. So I got my usual add-ons, the half box labels add-on where you get 8 half boxes, 8 quarter boxes, 4 large appointment and 4 skinny appointment labels. And then the functional icon kit, or not kit, icon add-on. And then here is the kit right here. It is 6 pages. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is the full boxes, headers, full box ombre heart checklets with a smaller strip of washi as well as 2 weekly trackers, and then the squared off half boxes, quarter boxes, and 8s, as well as some daily trackers and some half boxes. Get quite a few of each size. And then the date covers with some scripts, weekly header, and then some more headers right here with a couple icons. And then the bottom washi with a few strips of washi here and the glitter headers. So now I'm just going to quickly show you the other ones. So I have 5 kits, so this is the second kit. This is Sweat and Shine. Here are my add-ons. And then full boxes. This one is not a new kit, but in the newest format, which is the same format I've been using the last few months. Headers. Boxes. More functional day covers. Bottom washi. The next one is also a one that you have seen before in her shop. It's just to the newest format. So here is the add-ons, the full boxes, This is Boss Babe. Littles. Check boxes. Functional. Date cover. Bottom washi and glitter. And then the next two are two new ones. One's a little newer than the other, but they are new as to her shop. So, add on. Full box. This is Miss to Mrs. Little things. Full box. Functional. Date cover. Bottom washi and glitter. And then Home Sweet Home, also new to the shop. Add-ons. Full box. I love these. Again, this is Home Sweet Home. Headers. Checkbox. Functional. Date cover. And bottom washi with glitter. Okay, and that's it. There's my huge pile right here. Yay! Alright, that is it for my haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little haul. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like hauls. Make sure to also hit that notification as well as subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.